In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom can't connect to Bluetooth. If Zoom isn't picking up your Bluetooth headset or speaker, don't worry. We'll walk through a simple sequence to get your audio connected and working smoothly. Start by making sure Bluetooth is actually turned on for your computer. On most systems, you'll find a Bluetooth icon in the menu bar or system tray. You can also open your system settings and look for the Bluetooth section to confirm it's switched on. If it's off, turn it on and give it a second to initialize. Next, connect your Bluetooth headset or speaker to the computer before opening Zoom. Put your device in pairing mode if it isn't already connected. Then, in your computer's Bluetooth settings, select the device and wait until it shows as connected for both audio and voice, if applicable. If your headset is still connected to your phone or another device, disconnect it there first to avoid conflicts. Once it shows connected on your computer, you're ready to move on. Now, open the Zoom app. If you're already in a meeting, you can still adjust everything, but it's easiest to set this up from Zoom's home screen. Go to Settings, then choose Audio. The Settings icon is usually a small gear on the home screen. Inside the audio section, you'll see separate options for speaker and microphone. Use the drop-down menus to select your Bluetooth device for both. It may appear under the name of your headset or speaker, so pick the one that clearly matches your device. After selecting it, watch the input level indicator when you speak to confirm your microphone is registering your voice, and listen for system sounds or notifications to confirm audio is routed to your headset. If Zoom still doesn't switch to your Bluetooth device, turn off the Bluetooth device itself and then turn it back on. Let it reconnect to your computer and give it a moment to stabilize. Sometimes a quick power cycle on the headset refreshes the connection and resolves glitches. Finally, restart Zoom and try again. Completely quit the app so it's not running in the background, then reopen it and return to Settings, Audio to confirm your Bluetooth device is selected for both speaker and microphone. Join a meeting or start a test call to verify that you can hear clearly and that others can hear you. Follow these steps in order, and your Bluetooth audio should connect reliably with Zoom. If you repeat the process, remember, enable Bluetooth, connect the device to your computer, set it in Zoom, reconnect if needed, and restart Zoom to lock it in.